The game ends for all of us, but confidence, that doesn't have to end. When I lost my identity after sports, I thought my confidence was gone forever. But I had to realize confidence wasn't something I had to wait for. It was something I could just simply rebuild, step by step, brick by brick. That's when I started writing my own playbook, not just for me, but for athletes and professionals like you going through their own transitions. Sports taught us discipline. Life teaches us resilience. When you put them together, you can create your next chapter with confidence. That's why I started D1 Expectation to help athletes and professionals win beyond the game. If you're ready to rebuild your confidence and find your next chapter, of course you're not alone. I've been there. And now I help others get there too. Follow for more and let's build your playbook together.